Meaning of delay.
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 Delay. Delay refers to a situation where an action or event is postponed or slowed down beyond its expected time or schedule. This can occur due to various reasons such as technical problems, lack of resources, or human error. The result of delay can be negative, leading to frustration, missed opportunities, and financial losses. At the same time, it can also have positive outcomes such as allowing more time for preparation or analysis. Nevertheless, timely action and efficient management are essential to minimize the adverse effects of delay and ensure smooth functioning of various processes.